let's unpack high fashion doctor scrub which I recently bought from Flipkart. MRP is $13.99 and I got it at a discount price of Rs 589. In the packet we have one shirt and one pant. Country of origin is India. Material is cotton and the color is green. The shirt contains one pocket in the front. Trust me, it's really comfortable to wear while we are walking for a long period of time. Link is given in the description. And do subscribe to my channel for further such videos. Thank you.